What activities keep campers from being bored on rainy days? Imagine a day at camp where the sky is gray and rain is falling, but the fun never stops. Rainy days can be a challenge, but they also open doors to new kinds of excitement. Campers in America's summer, day, sports, recreational, and theater camps can stay busy and happy even when the weather isn't perfect. The key is having a plan filled with engaging indoor activities that keep energy high and spirits up. One great way to keep campers entertained is with interactive movie watching. Instead of just sitting and watching, campers can cheer, clap, or do silly actions during certain parts of the film. It turns a passive activity into a lively group game. Indoor physical games are also popular. Think of relay races, balloon baseball, sock hockey, or even indoor bowling with plastic cups. These games help campers burn off energy and stay active inside. Creative crafts are another fantastic option. Campers can paint pictures, make puppets from paper bags, or create painted pet rocks. These activities boost creativity and help develop fine motor skills. 4 quick, fun challenges, minute-to-win-it style games work well. For example, moving a cookie from forehead to mouth without using hands or stacking dice on a popsicle stick in the shortest time possible. These fast-paced games bring lots of laughs and friendly competition. Theater camps especially enjoy talent shows or improvisation skits. These activities let campers express themselves, build confidence, and entertain their friends. For a more skill-focused activity, safe indoor archery or target games with suction cup bows and taped targets can be both fun and educational. If outdoor conditions allow, playing kickball or using a slip and slide can turn rainy weather into a memorable adventure. Science experiments are also perfect for rainy days. Simple projects like making oobleck, a non-Newtonian fluid from cornstarch and water, are both fun and educational. Group word or letter games, where campers from words with their bodies, promote teamwork and physical movement indoors. Traditional board games and puzzles are always reliable options for quieter times, encouraging social interaction and mental engagement. Camp staff can prepare a rainy day kit filled with special games, craft supplies, and activities designed for indoor fun. Having rain gear ready and monitoring outdoor activities for safety is essential to keep everyone safe. When the weather clears, outdoor activities can resume, but even when it doesn't, these options make rainy days just as enjoyable as sunny ones. Campers leave with smiles, new skills, and memories that last long after the clouds clear.